Hey everybody, it's Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks for tuning in with me. This is going to be an interesting episode, really. I want to try to address something that has come up recently, and this happened to me on Lake St. Clair. Nothing bad, really. It was just an interesting comment from a property owner that lives on the shoreline of Lake St. Clair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the one fish that I caught on a pink drop shot. I'm no expert at fishing bass on Lake St. Clair. I have a ton to learn, haven't spent a ton of time out there. Very fortunate to have a good buddy like Extreme Outdoorsman who's an absolute hammer at catching smallmouth at Lake St. Clair. So hopefully he can teach me how to catch some more fish. But anyway, check out this one fish catch and a couple other misses that I had, and then we'll kind of get into the meat and potatoes of this video. Thanks for watching. There we go. Largemouth on a pink flatworm. Look at that. You can catch largemouth bass on pink flatworms in Lake St. Clair. Check that out. Not a giant, but man, it's a pretty fish. We'll get some pictures, but just started flipping these pylons here. It's been a little bit slow. I've been offshore, but nice one to get the evening started. So see if we can't get a few more. There he is. Oh, it came off. Dang it. Oh, okay. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if you heard at the very last part of the video, but the homeowner that I was fishing next to, you heard him say that, I think he said like the boat slips are private property, and I didn't hear him the first time because I was facing the wind, and I turned on it and I said, so what'd you say? And he says, the boat slips are private property. And then I said, okay. And it might have been difficult to hear his tone in his voice, but let me show you or give you a breakdown of just the whole scene, because it might be hard to see from my chest camera. So this gentleman had a dock. It was all fenced in, or had his property, and then next to him was a vacant lot. No house, no property signs, no nothing. And in this vacant lot, there was a trough that was cut for a boat slip, maybe, I don't know, 15 yards deep or something like that. There was a bunch of grass and matted, just, kind of trash back in there. So I decided to throw the frog, right? Made a couple casts inside there with the frog. In the left-hand corner, you could kind of see him mess around with his dog. And then I think the second or third cast, he made the comment like, that's private property. And I said, okay, thanks. And I probably should have said, well, hey, I appreciate it. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for whatever, right? I should have showered him with kindness. And that's really what I want this video to be about. Is recently, it seems like there's a lot of hate coming down and a lot of trolling coming down on the fishing community from other content creators, which is really strange. But just from people in general. I mean, Extreme Outdoorsman, a good friend of mine, when he posts something on TikTok, most of the comments, which are so childish and so stupid, talk about his accent. Like, guys, the guy's a straight hammer. He catches giant fish in northern Michigan, Lake St. Clair, down in Florida. This guy's an absolute hammer. He catches some big bass. And what's the one thing that people comment on different social media platforms? His voice or his accent. It's his voice, guys. Get off it. I don't know why people are so infatuated with trying to put him down as a content creator and as a human being because of the way he talks. That's just like, that's super low. We've come under attack recently, or just from trolling from different people about, different color baits we're using and, places we're fishing. And for me, it's really concerning, because I think a lot of people can take this stuff to heart. People that are out there trolling, that are trying to, put people down, like that can get really, that can affect a lot of people, right? And can actually want them to stop making content. And my word to you, the people that are making content, that are out there supporting other people in the industry, is keep going, keep at it, don't stop. Use those people that are trying to put you down as motivation to continue to do what you're doing, because that's when you know, from what I've been told, when you're starting to make an impact in the industry, is when the trolls come out, when the haters come out, you know. So don't stop, keep pushing, use those negative comments as a way to keep doing what you're doing and loving what you're doing and following your passion. And what I tend to do with people that try to put negative comments on my post, or, you know, try to, you know, make fun of me for throwing pink lures, whatever, just shower them with kindness, right? Say, hey, thanks for your support. Good luck next time you hit the water. Because really, we're just out here trying to make content and support the industry and support people and help them catch more and bigger fish. That's all we're trying to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for all your support. For everyone out there that supports the channel, thank you so much. And in a weird, kind of crazy way, for all the haters, thanks for your support too, because it really does drive us to make better content. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want me to maybe talk more about how to deal with trolls and haters and all that kind of stuff. But again, I cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the water next time.